Welcome to the American Martini School. My name is Howard. Today we're going to be featuring a classic drink called a Vodka Martini. Now we're going to use Grey Goose and we're going to pour it into a 10-ounce martini glass. So the pour is going to be vary from establishment to establishment, but we're going to pour up to 7 ounces. Now the first thing you want to do is chill your glass. Ice and water. Now the water is going to help it chill quicker and evenly. And the next thing we're going to do is grab our mixing glass, filling it halfway with ice. Now, a very important ingredient that goes into this drink is vermouth, and you want to be careful that you don't want to pour too much. A dash is all it takes, and of course, the liquor of choice is Grey Goose. And from there, you want to stir. You never want to shake this drink. Tulip strainer goes on top, and the classic garnish for this drink is an olive. And there's your drink. Cheers.